Okay, this is the little bird that my friend Joanne rescued this morning, and her dogs alerted her to the fact that he was kind of hobbling around on the ground. He's been checked out. His legs are fine, his wings are fine, and he and I are digging for some worms. He's already had one and really likes it. He's pretty mad at me because I set him down. He wants me to hold him. He thinks I'm his mother. And oh, I found another worm. Okay. All right. So I've named this bird JoDean for my good friend Joanne and her husband Dean. And now I'm trying to make my way to get so we can go feed him some more worms. I thought you might enjoy seeing the little guy get his supper. So let me see. Okay. I know. So he is happy about supper. Well, get it. Here you go. Here you go. Do I need to break it for you? Oh, okay, I'll break it for you. Hold on. Got to set you down for a minute. Okay, I got it. All right, so I broke the worm in half, and he really wants it. All right, let me see. Here we go. Come on. You want the worm? Here you go. Here you go. You want the worm? There you go. Come on. Are you confused now? Here you go. Open your mouth. Now, the other half of your worm done crawled in the dirt. Here. You want your worm? Okay. Oh, oops. Where'd it go? We dropped the worm. Here you go. Wait a minute. Here you go. He's already had one. Come on. Open mouth. Come on. Open kisser. Open kisser. You want your worm? Hey, you want your worm? No, I'm not going to make you eat it. But is it too big still? It is? Here. Okay. I'll try to break it again. Okay. Here you go. Here's a little piece. You want this? I don't have to hold you to feed you. Here. You can eat. You don't want the worm? Okay. Well, you're the one who didn't want it. I don't know where it went now. Dig for your own worm. Come on. I don't know where it went. And the other one went down in the dirt somewhere. Okay, loudmouth, I hear you. I'm looking for it. I'm looking for it. I'm not going to hold you all the time. All right, let's just get another piece of worm. How about that? Okay. All right, okay. Okay, here we go. Oh, you ate that already? Well, why wouldn't you eat the other one? You didn't like the taste of the other one? All right, let's try this one. Here you go. Here you go. You want some more? You want some more? You ready? All right, JoDean, come on. You want your worm? So I was saying that I named him after Joanne and her husband Dean, so his name is JoDean. And he thinks I'm his mama. He don't want me not to hold him. He thinks I'm supposed to hold him for him to eat. And he didn't want to sit on the ground while I dug for worms. He wanted me to hold him. So I can't believe there's a spoiled bird, but he is. All right, let me know if you want it. Okay. Well, I'm trying to get it in there. There you go. Was that good? Well, honey, I don't know what you did with the other ones. Oh, here's another piece. Hold on. I'm getting it. think. Trying to get it out the jar. It's stuck to the bottom. There we go. Okay. Here you go. Here you go. Open up. Well, you gotta open kiss her. Come on. Open kiss her. Here you go. Want your supper? Come on. Well, you gotta open up. You want your worm? You're going to sleep? You had enough? I don't know. He's aggravating me too, buddy. He doesn't seem to bother you at all, does he? Splat. You want your worm? Okay. I'm right here. Good Lord, boy. Or girl, whatever you are, I think you're a boy. All right, I'm getting it. All right. Oops, I dropped it. Hold on. I'm trying. There you go. It's in your mouth. Eat it. Oh, yum. Okay. Well, where's the other ones? We gotta find them. They went down in the dirt. Well, I can't get down on the ground like that, buddy, so we might have to call Joanne to give us some worms. She said she had some. You've had a few, so I know you're not starving to death. And you ate some seeds and you had water. Now sit right there a minute. No, don't hold on. I guess we're going to have to dig for some more. Are you good for now? You want to go back to bed? You want to go back to bed? Come on. Back to bed? Go back to bed, or you want to sit there a while? Or you want to try to fly a little bit? You got some strength now? You want to try to fly? Practice flapping. Flap. Come on. Flap your wings. Come on, flap your wings. Come on. You got to practice. You're never going to fly unless you start flapping those wings, buddy. Come on. You just don't want to right now, do you? Okay. Well, you know what? I'm going to take you back in. Put you back in your little comfy spot. You can have some more water and a few more seeds if you want them, and take your little nap. I want you to try to practice flapping those wings, buddy. Come on. He just does not want to leave me. Come on. You gotta fly. You're not supposed to be with humans. You're supposed to be with the other birds. Come on, flap. Practice flapping. Come on. Flap. As you can see, his wings aren't broken. His legs aren't broken. He's just fine. He'd being a lazy bird. Okay, well, that's all for now. And I will update you on this story. So, JoDean, tell everybody bye. Say bye. You say bye? Oh, you're going to be shy now? Okay. Well, I can't wait for Possum Patty to see you. Yeah. Yeah? Say bye. Okay, I'll take you in.